Hi, I'm Chung, and I'm here to talk to you today about an example of a linear motion solution using our electric products. What I have here is a screw-driven electric actuator that has been designed to lift things. In this case, you can see that this actuator, which runs vertically here, has a fork tine. This fork tine allows bulky and heavy loads to be lifted up and down. In this case, this can go up to 187 pounds. What you'll also notice about this particular solution design is that you cannot see the actuator. It's inside this cover strip here. The reason for that is it allows for safe operation. There's no debris, hair, things of that nature that can get in and present a risk to the operator. Another advantage of using the electric actuator for this product is it's very low noise. It's unlike pneumatic or other solutions, hydraulic chains, things like that. If you need a quiet solution, this particular design gives you that. And lastly, from a maintenance standpoint, this particular solution requires very little maintenance, whether it's in a commercial, residential, or industrial setting. You can see up here there's a motor, and this particular actuator, the inside, would occasionally need to be lubricated once a year up here where the motor is, and that's it. I'll demonstrate the lift here to show you. It's very simple. There's a hand switch. This hand switch allows the operator to easily lift to the position that they want to be working on the load, or lowering it back down to whichever height is preferable. For more information about these types of engineered solutions and others, please visit Norgren.com. Thank you.